our zipper in our new fun flared skirt, and we've sewn it together. Now the next step is finishing. So we're going to start by ironing all the panels really flat and opening up all the seams. And that'll just get it ready so that we could sew the hem as well as the top part. So you basically just open up all the seams